I'm gonna give you my honest opinion of this Toro 60-volt power shovel. I'm a Toro dealer, but I could care less whether you buy this or a snowblower or an ATV to plow. Doesn't matter to me. I'm here to just give the breakdown on this thing. So when this comes out of the box, of course, you gotta cut all the tape away. It comes in different pieces. You can see everything that it comes with here. And there is a couple pieces that you need to put together. There is a hex head that they give you a tool provided Allen wrench. We've got some tools that we could put this together a little bit faster. And really, it's quite quick to put this thing together out of the box. So first of all, when I got this thing together and I was seeing this for the very first time, it's a little bit heavier than I would have pictured. I think that the electric world lends itself to potentially someone who's not quite as strong, or they don't want to worry about carburation, they want things simple, they want things light. So that is one thing I will say, it's a little bit heavier than you might anticipate. This comes with a 60 volt, 2.5 amp hour battery, 135 watt hours. And if that's out, it's significantly less weight. You can put any of the Toro batteries in this, which would change the weight fluctuation. Although I will say that is a bit of a turnoff when I first turn this on. You will see that when we're using this machine, this simply sets on the ground. You actually don't need to hold this in the air at all. So don't be too off put like I was when I first saw this, because you are literally just pushing this along the ground. You don't need to lift this into the air except from going from maybe spot to spot wherever you're going. This is a tool that can handle pretty much anything that a shovel could. It could be a small driveway, it could be a patio, your deck area, it could be a sidewalk, maybe in front of a commercial building, all sorts of things. Even a commercial guy, if you were trying to fit in some small areas, this is a handy little tool here to possibly have. So it is really amazing to me how far that this kicks the snow. I think it's surprising as you see how far that this blasts through. And one complaint, with these power shovels, if you step on the area of snow that you are going on, it makes it a little bit hard. You gotta push through maybe a couple different times. But if you are hitting powder that has never been stepped on, it works absolutely phenomenally. But even if it has been stepped on, I will say that it's not too big of a deal to get through that as well. This is much improved from the corded version that is much smaller, as you see these side by side, as the previous power shovel. And to not have to drag around a cord, that's really a huge advantage to this piece of equipment. The throwing distance on this actually is up to 25 feet, as you see this shooting in the air now, and the snow depth that it can tackle is up to 6 inches, which is a pretty good amount of snow as you go through. It comes with a 3-year warranty. This model that we're looking at today is model 39909, and you can get this as just the tool. You can get it with the battery. So of course, the great thing about these 60 volt tools with Toro is they have bigger snow blowers that have these, they have lawn mowers that have these batteries, trimmer, blower, chainsaw, all sorts of different things. So if you've already got one of the other tools, I think it makes sense as you get this. I tend to always think, go ahead and buy the tool with the battery, then you got extra batteries, maybe this goes low. This has a charge time of 60 minutes, and the run time, it says it can go up to 4 parked cars as far as the ability that can possibly tackle. But again, if you have that extra battery, you can tackle a little bit more, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, as we did the area in front of our building here, we were on the speed setting of 1. You can see how much that's kicking. If I look at on the side of this, you can actually flip this over to the 2. So let me kind of show you the speed of 1 here. And then if I go to 2, significantly faster. You'll see as we're looking at me tackling my deck at home, what a difference it makes when you're actually on the setting of 2. And it's just perfect for this type of application on the deck, maybe somewhere that it's cumbersome to lift a snow blower here, there. It does a phenomenal job of kicking that snow well away from the area that you're trying to work in. Obviously, I am a Toro dealer. I'm here to give my honest opinion. I think it's a phenomenal product. I will say, like I said before, the weight is a little bit of a negative there, but you're gonna get that. That's kind of the trade-off, right? With cordless ability, you're gonna get some extra weight on there, and that's just some of the offset that you really have to have as you go through that. There's a lot of other good products out there that make a similar type of thing as this. of course, us as a Toro dealer, I just happen to know all the different 60 volt tools you can plug into this, and that's such an advantage of just being able to have all those different batteries that you can work in all the different 60 volt Toro tools. Whether it's us or another dealer, get your hands on this, because like I said, it's a little bit heavier, but again, you're pushing that along the ground. Overall, I definitely give this my thumbs up, and hope this was informative for you guys. Until next time, here at Howe Equipment, Tool or Toy, we have it.